Samsung's Galaxy A series has consistently delivered budget-friendly devices that pack surprising value, and the Galaxy A54 5G proudly continues this tradition. With a mix of appealing features and an accessible price point, it's a fun choice for those seeking a well-rounded smartphone experience without breaking the bank. Design and display, a splash of personality. The Galaxy A54 5G embraces a vibrant design, particularly in the striking lime green variant. Its glossy glass back paired with metallic-like plastic edges adds a touch of elegance to its appearance. Beyond aesthetics, the device carries an IP67 rating for water resistance, ensuring protection during unexpected rain showers or accidental liquid encounters. The phone's 6.4-inch display offers a canvas for immersive experiences. Its vibrant visuals elevate content consumption, whether you're streaming your favorite show or scrolling through social media. The display's size strikes a harmonious balance, providing ample real estate without overwhelming the device's overall footprint. Performance and battery life, balanced power. Under the hood, the Galaxy A54 5G relies on the Exynos 1380 processor, accompanied by 6 GB of RAM. Despite its budget-friendly nature, this configuration manages to deliver respectable performance. Everyday tasks such as web browsing, messaging on WhatsApp, and handling emails feel smooth and responsive. The device even handles light gaming with ease, offering a satisfying experience with titles like Genshin Impact and Asphalt 9, Legends at default settings. One standout feature is Samsung's commitment to software support. The Galaxy A54 5G promises security updates for 5 years from its launch, ensuring prolonged security and usability. Samsung also extends an extra generation of Android OS updates compared to Google, a notable advantage for those looking to keep their devices up to date. Camera capabilities, versatile snapping. Equipped with 3 rear cameras, a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro camera, the Galaxy A54 5G offers versatility in capturing different scenarios. The main camera consistently delivers crisp and detailed shots, while the 2x preset digital zoom, optical zoom is not available, ensures sharp images even at a distance. For those looking to explore their photography skills, the A54 5G provides ample opportunities. From wide-angle landscapes to up-close macro shots, it covers a range of creative possibilities. Verdict: a smart budget buy. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G earns its place as a compelling budget smartphone. Its blend of decent performance, eye-catching design, vibrant cameras, and affordability positions it as an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers. With a bright display, expandable storage options, and extended software support, it ticks many boxes for a well-rounded smartphone experience. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or simply looking for a reliable backup device, the A54 5G makes a strong case for itself. If you want a special offer for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, visit the link below in the description.